Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to add numbers to contacts on Redmi A5. So to add numbers to contact, you should go to your number list or type a new number. For example, I will type a new number. And as you can see, when you type the number, there is an option like new contact. Click on it. And after that, type the name of that person. Or you can give it another name, for example, AAA. And after that, you can add the company, the title of that person, if you have another mobile phone or if you have an email. And after that, you click on the right icon on the top right of the screen. And like that, as you can see, we added this contact to our contact list. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.